Tired of project chaos turning your work life upside down? Let's tame the madness with Monday.com, the ultimate project management tool. First, let's create a new board. Click on it and select New Board. Choose a template or start from scratch. Name your board something descriptive, like Marketing Campaign Q4. Now, let's customize those columns. Click the plus sign to add new columns. Essential ones include status to track progress, person to assign responsibilities, and deadline to set due dates. See those task items? Click on any item to open it here. You can add subtasks, write updates in the update section, upload files, and tag team members. Monday.com offers fantastic views. Click the view options to switch to a Gantt chart for timeline visualization, a Kanban board for workflow management, or a calendar to see deadlines. Automate your workflow by clicking on the Automate button. You can set up triggers, like when status changes to done. Move item to archive group. This saves you time and reduces manual work. Finally, build a dashboard to track overall project progress. Add widgets to monitor key metrics, such as overdue tasks, budget spent, and team workload. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Monday.com can revolutionize your project management. Start exploring and unlock your team's full potential.